Today we have one goal. We're going to take this cheese cube that I made and we're gonna spin it as fast as humanly possible. Okay, so here's the plan. I have this fancy drill. Apparently this thing is gonna spin like pretty damn close to 100 miles per hour. That's scaled, that is. So we're gonna be taking this, figuring out some way to like mount this to just the top layer, and then we're just going to stinking spin this thing. First, we gotta figure out how to attach this. Okay, so I just found this box to the, I think it was like the Waylong GTS2M. And basically this box was falling apart. So I looked inside, it has this little cradle that's gonna be absolutely perfect. Just to make sure. Look how snug that fits. So we now need to figure out how to get this out of here. Actually, that was a lot easier than I expected. Okay, so now to get this thing onto the drill. Last piece. That thing looks flawless. And then our contestant, I'm just gonna slide it in. All right. We'll just gradually crank this thing up. And it broke off. Okay, so our biggest problem right now is that this isn't centered. It's like causing the cube to fly everywhere. So let's fix this up really quick. Okay, so let's try this out again. That's much better. All right, least amount of power to start. All right, so far, that was about 75% power. The cube is really hot. And you can see all the wear lines on the inside just from spinning it on that thing. It's about to get a heck of a lot more crazier when we get to a higher speed, but hopefully this thing won't catch on fire. Yeah, it's so hot. But you know we gotta do it. You know we gotta do it. So I'm gonna use the exact opposite side. Let's spin this thing all the way to max power. Holy smokes. This cube is so hot to the touch right now. And the insides, gosh, this is so hot. Looks pretty dang worn already. That's pretty cool. I don't know how many turns that just did there, but that was 100 miles per hour scaled to this size, which is absolutely phenomenal. And this cube could totally withstand it. So pretty dang cool. Make sure you guys subscribe, comment, and like the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.